What's wrong with these pictures? You're not in them. Let's change that. Hey, it's Scott from Yakima here to introduce you to the Swingdaddy. It fits 2-inch hitch receivers only and carries up to 4 bikes like a charm. Let's unbox this fella. Open the box and you'll see 2 easy pieces. No crazy assembly required. Simply take the hitch piece and insert it into your hitch receiver. Line up the holes and insert the safety pin. Tighten the speed knob, and now we're moving to step 2. Take the mast piece, line up the holes on your hitch piece, and drop the bolt end. Tightening the nut with the provided wrench. That of course includes a handy bottle opener. Then tighten the safety knob to make sure it's firmly in place, and then lock. If you have other Yakima gear, get the SKS same key system, so all your lock cores only need 1 key. Now installation is done and done. Next up, load your bikes. Release the trigger finger latch to extend the arms. Load bikes onto the anti-sway cradles that keep your bike secure while on the road. And attach our all-new zip strips. Attach the included safety straps per instructions, and now you're fully loaded. To ensure your bikes remain in your possession, check out our handcuff lock, sold separately. But wait! You forgot to load that last bag into the rear of your car. No worries. Turn the safety knob, pull the red pin up, rotate rack, and swing out until it clicks. Easy access, even with the bikes on. Genius, right? To close, press the red hinge lever down and swing mast back until the red pin snaps back into place. Tighten the safety knob and you're ready to roll. Your father would be proud of your wise bike carrying choice, the Swingdaddy. Reminder, gear goes here, friends go here. Yakima, take more friends.